Are you planning to get a microphone like this, or are you trying to know how it is connected to the phone? Do you think it is too expensive? I want to tell you that this microphone is actually affordable and it is easy to use, and you can even carry it around. So stay tuned and watch this video. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as you've seen my title, so I'll be doing a wireless microphone review. So it says F4 wireless microphone. I've actually opened it and I've checked it and I've charged it. So but because of this video, I'll be opening it again. Like, let's just do as if I'm opening it for the first time. So this is it. So you see the manual. So this is the microphones, the two microphones and the receiver here. And then the receiver. This is the receiver. It comes with charging cable, and this is it. It has a Type-C port here. So I got it on Jumia. So after unboxing it, I tried using it and it was like doing on and off. So I had to use a power bank. I connected the power bank to the board here to charge, and it was still showing green light and red light. So I had to wait till they brought light. So when they brought light, I charged it and it was showing red light here. When you charge it will show you red light here. So after charging it, I was able to charge the second one. The funniest thing about it is when I charged the second one, it was not working. It was not showing any light. So I was banging it on my palm, hoping that it would work, but it was not working. So I just left it charging, and after like 30 minutes, it started charging. So showing the red light. So when you're charging it, it will show the red light, and when it is full and you're using it, it will show a green light. So let me connect it to my phone now, and we'll see the difference. So this is it. So as you can see here, I was trying to connect that microphone I complained about, the second one. It was not connecting. So it was later realized that the battery was low. So I connected the second one. Though later I had to charge it and now it is working perfectly. So can you hear my voice? So when you connect the receiver to your phone, then there's a power button here. So you click on the power button and you allow the light to show here. So it is showing a green light here now. So voila, it is connected and your microphone is ready for use. So you can put it on your clothes like this, but you make sure it's not too close to your mouth so that it won't be like sounding somehow. So now you can use your microphone like this, and you can hold it like this. So I actually prefer holding it like this because it gives me like a kind of vibe that I can't explain. So this is it. Like one of Balaji Billion's videos, she was talking about handling of microphone. You know, some people do. Okay, so what I am talking so just be mindful of how you hold it. Be mindful of how you're going to hold your microphone. So you make it a bit far from from your mouth so that it will be clear and nice to your audience. So that's that about the microphone. And that's it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment on this video. If you want to ask me any question pertaining to this microphone, you can ask. So if you have like guests, you invited someone, you can just use the second one. That's the essence. I'm actually glad that they are two, and yeah, it's nice. So see you in my next video.